Okay, so here we want to use the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic function. Usually when we try to solve a quadratic function, we always first try to simply factor. But then sometimes you get problems such as this one, x squared minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. It simply cannot be factored. So when they can't be factored, our next best option is to use the quadratic um, equation, and this is what it is: negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, so this is what we do. We're going to go through, and first we have to label a, b, and c so we know where to insert our numbers into our formula. So we're going to say a is equal to 1. That's the coefficient of x squared. B is equal to negative 3. It's the coefficient of negative 3x. And C is going to be equal to negative 5. All right. And from here, we go straight into our formula. For example, we have x is equal to negative 3. That's the opposite of negative 3. Let me write that better. All right. Plus or minus. That will be negative 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times a negative 5. And that's a 5. Let me write that a little bit better. And remember, all that is over 2 times 1. That's 2a. All right. So now, y'all, let's clean this up a little bit. The opposite of negative 3 is 3. Plus or minus. Yeah, negative 3 squared will be equal to 9. Negative 4 times 1 times a negative 5 is equal to a positive 20. This is all over 2. And here we're just slowly breaking this problem down. All right, I'm going to keep it out here first. Divided by 2. And to break that down, we could simply say 3 halves plus 29, root 29 over 2. And 3 minus root 29 over 2. And that's how we use our quadratic equation, our quadratic formula.